guys, it's March 31st. Today you guys get to finish the play. Finally, woohoo! So read Act 5, Scene 3. Keep filling out those graphic organizer things. If you can print them out on Schoology, that'd be good. Otherwise, any notes that you have would be really good because on Wednesday, April 8th, you guys are going to have a test online. It'll be an essay test, but whatever notes that you have are going to be good to use for the test. One other thing that I just wanted to let you know, I added a folder that has ebooks in it. So if you're bored and you want to read but you don't have anything at home, there are a bunch of places that are offering free ebooks. So if you feel like reading, not a bad idea to check it out. Remember, any late work or resubmissions can be turned into this folder right here. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and post them on our updates page. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have a good day, and I hope you enjoy the end of the play.